Happening getting delay jo Droks pakajung bon ki samla ke ban ngap ahni ke jingdi basniu. Ka Mawlai ke ka wini ki jaka ke bala challenge shop akani ke jingja. Kumta ka Mawlai town darbar kala shim khiaba ye ka kamba kala pelong ke bapun ki program ban pan sngotu ye ki samla ba kamjuru banyele Pyrshah ye ke jingdi basniu. Namar ke di shim khia jo ka ka liang jo Sorkar kala pen kuburam ban ad ka Khusnam ye ke Snong. Ye ke Khusnam sama ka jilang balang apo susam auditorium Mynta ka Sngi.
The community of Mawlai town darbar has submitted the proposal of 31 lakhs for which the entire amount will be given as per the indicatives inside. But today, as a token for some of the components, we are giving an amount of 6 lakhs of rupees. Handing over the check is our Honorable Chief Minister with the Minister to Dr. Mitri and the team from Mawlai Town Darbar. And with this, we are encouraging other community leaders also to take this as an inspiration to do what needs to be done in the community, and this is what